With season 3 rapidly approaching, there's no better time to start watching Classroom of the Elite. And no, you won't have to wait any longer to catch the third season of this classroom. Hey guys, welcome back to the Anime Daily. This is Anushka and today's topic of discussion is the new season of Studio Lurch outing, the Classroom of the Elite season 3. While avid fans shed tears after saying goodbye to their favorite characters from this classroom, the studio came up with another big announcement for the third season. Well, the anime has already gained immense success throughout its 2 seasons and now they are clamoring for more. As for its renewal status, Studio Lurch came up with the first season 5 years ago. Soon after its debut, the anime series reached the spot that we all know that it has today. The second season certainly took 5 years to return, but that will not be the case with the new one. In the first week of September, this classroom promised that it is going to return next year, which would probably be 2023. As the anime series has remained loyal to the chapters of the light novel, there is no doubt that season 3 will begin with the mixed training camp, a new test series which the students of ANHS will go through. It is presumed that this arc is going to be mind-bending both for the viewers as well as the critics. Moreover, by looking at the finale's cliffhanger, it can be expected that Arisu will play a crucial role in the upcoming season. But fans can expect more to come from this one. The anime adaptation is based on Shogo Kinugasa's original light novel series of the same name. It has a total number of 11 volumes with an additional sequence of stories. It starts the first season and covered 3 volumes in total, while the second season covered almost 5. So now only 3 volumes are left for the third season. Considering this possibility, it seems like the third season might as well be the last of this series. However, if the studio plans to develop its own stories, there's certainly room for more seasons to come in the near future. As we have already seen, Classroom of the Elite has a light novel sequel called Classroom of the Elite Year 2, which consists of 3 marvelous stories. Considering the fans' enthusiasm and love for the anime, the studio will soon decide to return with a sequel if the demand is very high. Demon Slayer Mugen Train, Dragon Ball Super and JJK Zero have recently taught us that movies are a big business these days. Talking of the release date, Studio Lurch has confirmed the next season to come out in 2023. And if we were to put our best bet on any slate, that would be the fall slate of 2023. But the fans shall take this information with a grain of salt. In the previous season finale, Ryuen lost all hopes of rebuilding the reputation and influence that he once had in the school. When he decided to leave, Ibuki tried to convince him to stay strong and not give up. Ibuki also reminded him of his own words, but Ryuen had no interest in the power struggle that irritated Ibuki, and she kicked him and walked away tirelessly. Elsewhere, Satao asked Karuizawa for some dating advice as she had a date with Ayano Koji on December 25th. But later that night, she wondered whether Ayano Koji had bad intentions for Satao. While wondering, she received a call from Ayano Koji who asked her to gather all the information about Satao. Ayano Koji then met with Ryuen, whom he saved from the expulsion. Well, he did this because of his evil motive. He planned to expel Kushida from the school to fix everything for all the students. But Ryuen realized that the protagonist was using him all through the plan. However, he had nothing to do but to follow orders from the main character. Ayano Koji and Satao finally went on a date, but things didn't work out between them. Instead of spending time alone, they were joined by another couple who kept disturbing them. But when Satao confessed her feelings, he rejected her by saying nobody could replace his former partner. This hints that Ayano Koji will continue to struggle in Classroom of the Elite Season 3, mostly in his love life. but Satao will make some slow moves to get closer to him. We can also expect him to have a surge of feelings for Satao in the next one. Hence, there will be some romantic moves between this to-be couple. Further, Ibuki won't be glad to see Ryuen following Ayano Koji's orders. So she will remind him about his motives and try to protect him from this evil main character. But it won't be that easy. And the final few scenes suggest that a potential war is going to start between Arisu and Kiyotaka. Both of them hate each other and were a part of the White Room back in the past. But she had the intention to follow his path. Now that she knows that the former can do and save her from the evil, she will follow him at any cost. Most of the characters' fates will change in the third season, and that's what we are looking forward to. So this was all we had for you about Classroom of the Elite Season 3. Do share your plot theories with us in the comment section if you like our videos. Do press the like button. Also subscribe to the Anime Daily to get all the latest updates on the same.